Hello students. Today our topic for discussion is major landforms of the earth. In this chapter we discuss various landforms and factors behind the formation of these landforms, usefulness of the landforms and landforms, influences of landforms in human life. You all know that Earth's surface is not the same everywhere. It is highly uneven. It has hill, valley, mountain, plateau and plain. All these features are also found in the sea too. And the landforms play a major role in deciding the weather, climate, vegetation and animals found in region. Now the process is gradually and hardly comes to our notice, but this changes is always taken place. In fact, with the surface of the earth, continuous flow, movement are taking place which lead to either uplift or sinkage of the land at several places. These are often caused due to the movement of molten rock under the lithosphere and termed as internal process. Upliftment and sinking in the land surface, these are called internal. These are often caused due to movement of molten rock under the lithosphere and is termed as internal process. Now an external process, the elements of nature like running water, moving ice and wind are continuously wearing down and rebuilding a land surface. These are called external. And external process called erosion, which remove material from one place and deposit it at another by the process of deposition. The internal process and the external process both result in the formation of three major types of landform: mountains, plateaus and plains. Now we discuss about mountain. Mountain is conical landmass much higher than its surrounding area. Mountains which occur in a line or chain are known as range and may stretch several hundred or even thousands kilometers. Himalayas, Alps, Andes and Rockies are few examples of mountain range. Types of mountain. First, fold mountain. Fold mountains, when a part of earth's surface is pushed up from opposite direction, wrinkle or fold are formed, which form fold mountains. These mountains may be very high with steep slope and sharp peak. The Himalayas and Rockies are an example of fold mountain. Aravalli of India is the oldest fold mountain, and block mountain. Block mountain, when the large area displaced vertically between two cracks of the fault, the blocks or the upliftment are called horsts or black mountain, while these which are lowered is called graben or rift valley. Uplift, these are called horsts, and downwards, lower, these are called graben or rift valleys. The Vosges mountain and Rhine valley of Europe are example of this type of mountain. Volcanic mountain. According to their name, molten lava erupts from opening in the earth crust and are reaching the surface, it cool and hardness gradually with the passage of time. These are called volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountain example is Mount Fujiyama in Japan. Now, importance and significance of the mountain. Mountains are a storehouse of the fresh water. Several glaciers are found on the high peak of mountain. The river valley and terraces provide fertile land for cultivation. The mountain slopes have thick forests which provide several products like timber, medicines, gum, resin. Besides being ideal place for people to live in, mountains are a great tourist attraction. The adventure sports like skiing, river rafting and paragliding are the great attraction for tourists. Now we plateau. Plateau are flat surface. They have not a peak. Just like mountain have a peak, but plateau have not a peak. These are flat, table-ended and vary from 1000 meter to several thousand meter. Like mountain, plateau too may be young or old. Deccan Plateau in India is the oldest plateau and in the world, and varying between 4000 to 6000 meter above the sea level. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world and called the roof of the world. Based on their formation, plateau can be declassified into various types. Some plateaus are formed as a result of geological uplift or slow upward movement of large part of a stable area of the earth. Example, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Certain plateaus lie between mountains due to the collision of section of the earth crust. These are called intermontane plateau. The Tibetan Plateau was created as a result of the collision between the Indian plate and European plate. Plateaus formed as a result of many lava flow. Example is called lava plateau and example Deccan Plateau. And last one is called residual plateau. Example is Cumberland Plateau in USA. About 25% of area in China is also covered by plateau. Importance of plateau. Plateaus are a storehouse of mineral, iron, ore, copper, gold, diamond and several other minerals are found here. A river flowing from and provide fresh water and also use hydroelectricity. Some plateaus are made up of lava and provide black soil. You know that black soil is extremely fertile and suitable for cotton. A plateau can support both farming and mining activities. Several people settled here. There are also great tourist attraction. Okay, in next video we discuss about more things like plain, importance of plain and question answer also. Okay, thank you very much.